Hello everyone. The former public protector Thuli Madonsela has opened up about how she was scammed for months on end by someone who had hijacked her friend's WhatsApp profile and used it to regularly extract small amounts of money from her and other friends. Madonsela estimated that she and others in her cycle who had been taken for approximately 10,000 rands altogether. She took it to her social media platform and wrote, "I and a friend lost thousands of rands from a scammer who had hijacked the WhatsApp profile of a mutual friend. It was only when the scammer became so greedy and brazen that my son and I figured out the scam and warned other friends. WhatsApp ID theft or hacking is real." In a telephonic interview, Madonsela revealed that her friend whose WhatsApp profile had been hijacked was someone known to her and her friends, and they often chipped in to help the woman who was down on her luck using e-wallet platform. Madonsela said it was only much later after her son had helped her realize she was being scammed. She said, "Every time I called to speak to my friend, there seemed to be a problem with the line or her phone, and she would text saying she could hear me, but because her phone was broken, I probably couldn't hear her." Also, the terms of endearment she used, such as the word darling, were not words of my friend would ordinarily use for me. But I was so busy most of the time, I didn't really pay much attention. It was only later. Madonsela said she did not know much about how the e-wallet works. But when the scammer said they preferred the money to be sent to a bank account, her son got suspicious. People reacted on her statement, and one said, "Justification accepted. We will now assume Dyanti and them have been scammed. You are trying very hard to justify bad actions, ne? With no shame." Another one said, "They used to necklace agents during apartheid. How I wish the same was done presently. Dyanti must recuse himself, finish and clear." Another one also said, "Are you referring to the same son that crashed the state car? Or where is the case number of your case?" Someone also said, "Please activate two-factor authentication on WhatsApp." Oh, Thuli, her son got suspicious. People reacted on her statement, and one said, "Justification accepted. We will now assume Dyanti and them have been scammed. You are trying very hard to justify bad actions, ne? With no shame." Another one said, "They used to necklace agents during apartheid. How I wish the same was done presently. Dyanti must recuse himself, finish and clear." Another one also said, "Are you referring to the same son that crashed the state car? Or where is the case number of your case?" Someone also said, "Please activate two-factor authentication on WhatsApp." Oh, Thuli, that way your account is protected when people try to open it on a new device. The suspended public protector, Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane's husband, recently revealed that the late Majodina Joemat Dyanti, who was chairing Mkhwebane's inquiry, and Pemi Majodina tried to solicit a bribe from Mkhwebane to make her Section 194 inquiry to go away, and Joemat was communicating via WhatsApp asking the amount of 600,000 rands. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.